we should let it continue. We should make a conveyor belt, just the same way we did in 2018. We had a 2020. We had an under 20 team that played the qualifiers for the World Cup, and then after that the players graduated to the senior team. So if we have an under 18 now, we should also think about an under 15 maybe, and then we should maintain the under 18 because there are under 20 competitions coming later. We shall need a feeder. We shall also need, apart from getting good players in that age category, we shall also need a feeder, and we shall also need to feed our senior team.
I play number 10 and 8 or even 6. I find it good because it creates an opportunity for many girls, especially in Kenya. It's a good chance to showcase your talent because like playing for the national team is quite important because of the many international games you can play, and going internationally to play can give you also good chances to get and sign in big teams in Europe.
Especially since women's football is not as popular as men's football, and it's something that should really come out because when you take your time and actually watch women play, you actually see that there is a lot in them, and it's a really nice thing to see that women are actually coming out to do something